Welcome! If you're looking to enable age-restricted commands on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Whether you want to access certain commands for moderation or just want to make sure your server experience is tailored to your age group, I'll guide you through the latest steps, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Discord app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile picture. Go ahead and tap on it. This will take you straight to your user settings. Now, scroll down a bit until you find the section labeled Content and Social. Tap on it to open up more options. This is where Discord lets you manage what kind of content you can see and interact with, including those age-restricted commands. Inside the Content and Social menu, look for the option that says Enable Age-Restricted Commands. You'll see a toggle switch right next to it. If it's off, just tap the switch to turn it on. When enabled, this setting will allow you to use commands that are limited to users above a certain age, depending on the server's rules and Discord's guidelines. And that's it! You've now enabled age-restricted commands on Discord Mobile. It's a simple process, but it can make a big difference in how you interact with your favorite communities. Remember, these commands are in place to help keep Discord safe and enjoyable for everyone. So only use them if you meet the age requirements set by the platform and the servers you're in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more up-to-date Discord tips and tricks. Have any questions or want to see more tutorials? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.